Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a portfolio in Strikingly. First, begin by signing up for a free account or logging in. Next, select a template that aligns with your professional goals and aesthetic. Strikingly offers a wide range of pre-designed layouts, making it easy to find one that suits your needs. You can then customize the template to reflect your unique style, ensuring your portfolio stands out. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now, let's focus on adding your impressive work. Upload high-resolution images and videos to truly showcase your projects. For each piece, write a concise yet engaging description that highlights your role, the challenges, and the outcomes. Consider adding a call to action or a link to the live project. Strikingly allows for up to 500 megabytes of storage on free plans and significantly more on paid plans, ensuring you have ample space for your creations. Personalizing your portfolio is crucial for making a lasting impression. Strikingly provides intuitive tools to customize your site's appearance. Experiment with different color palettes and font combinations to create a cohesive look. You can easily add social media icons, linking to your professional profiles. Incorporate a contact form so potential clients or employers can reach you directly. These small details make a big difference in presenting a polished and professional image. Finally, it's time to publish and share your completed portfolio with the world. Before publishing, take a moment to thoroughly review every page for any typos or broken links. Once you are satisfied, hit the Publish button. You can choose a free Strikingly subdomain or connect a custom domain for a more professional touch. Share your new portfolio on LinkedIn, Twitter, and other relevant platforms to maximize its reach and attract new opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.